The modern financial landscape is flooded with artificial intelligence and social trading algorithms processing millions of data points a second. Learning to trade takes years of grueling screen time. Naturally, there is a massive psychological pull towards services that offer a shortcut around that mastery. This visualization compares marketing hype with reality. The left pane shows a perfectly smooth equity curve promised by marketers. The right pane reveals a highly volatile track record. Zooming in, we see the maximum drawdown, a catastrophic 55% collapse hidden right in the middle. Integrating these services requires a framework of rigorous due diligence to navigate the technical complexity and avoid modern traps. A Signal service delivers precise trade instructions to your phone via Discord or Telegram. It tells you exactly what to buy, your entry price, where to set your stop loss, and where to take profit. Many of these signals are now driven by machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of AI where computer systems identify patterns in data without human intervention. This creates a black box. You receive the signal, but you have no way to verify the complex logic the algorithm used to generate it. There is also copy trading, where a master trader's specific entries and exits are automatically mirrored inside your own brokerage account without you having to lift a finger. You are trading the hard work of market analysis for absolute convenience. To get that convenience, you surrender your own execution logic to someone else. Relying entirely on a black box severely caps your intellectual growth. When market conditions shift and the algorithm eventually breaks down, you are left completely defenseless because you haven't built your own skills. Before you expose a single dollar of real capital to a third-party provider, you have to treat their claims like a forensic investigation. Do not accept screenshots of winning trades. Demand a public link to an independent tracking service like Myfxbook. Myfxbook connects directly to a live trading account to verify actual performance, making it nearly impossible to manipulate the results. Look for at least 12 to 24 months of verified history. A 3-month winning streak is just statistical noise. You need proof the strategy can survive multiple shifting market regimes. This chart exposes the danger of a poor risk-reward ratio. Risking 100 pips for a 20-pip gain means one bad trade wipes out 5 wins. Now it shifts to a sustainable 1 to 1.5 ratio. The green reward is 50% larger. This is mathematically sound. Warning tone. Watch out for providers that force you to sign up with a specific, unregulated broker. This is a common kickback scheme where the provider actually profits from your blown account. This transparency filters out the vast majority of signal providers, leaving only a small fraction of verified services to protect your capital from destruction. Once a provider passes your vetting process, you have to decide exactly how to integrate their data into your live trading environment. This flowchart tracks using a signal as your sole trade trigger. Blind following requires zero chart time, but creates toxic dependency. The alternate pathway outlines the confluence check. Here, the signal is a secondary screener confirming your pre-existing analysis, creating a high-conviction trade. For example, you analyze the charts and identify a great short setup on the British pound to Japanese yen pair. A few minutes later, your vetted provider sends a signal validating that exact thesis. This process does not save you time. You still did the work. Instead, the signal generates the psychological conviction you need to execute a difficult trade without hesitation. Premium signal services serve as sophisticated engines for idea generation and high-level analytical confirmation. Every new signal service requires a strict probationary period before you trust it with your money. Execute the provider's trades exclusively on a demo account, a simulated platform loaded with virtual funds, for a minimum of 30 days. As the 30-day testing cycle passes, you will find out if the provider's execution style actually fits into your daily life. You might realize their most profitable signals drop during your sleep cycle, or that they demand instant manual execution while you are locked in meetings at work. This risk-free quarantine period neutralizes the false urgency of marketing campaigns and protects your initial capital from pure logistical failures. This quadrant chart maps signal strategies. Passive, hands-off use drops your performance, while using signals as advanced screening tools creates a path to success. The top left quadrant highlights the ideal hybrid trader, combining high personal risk management with strategic signal confluence. You have to operate as the rigid CEO of your account. You take absolute ownership of your position sizing, and you never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total balance on any single trade. If your personal analysis reveals a major support level right below the provider's stop loss, you override their parameters to give your trade the breathing room it needs. You also must dodge portfolio correlation traps. 5 signals betting euro up is not true diversification. It's massive over-leveraged exposure. A signal is merely a suggestion. Surviving the markets requires you to ruthlessly enforce your own risk thresholds over any external advice. Executing a highly disciplined hybrid strategy requires a truly frictionless trading environment to serve as your ultimate foundation. FXNX provides an institutional-grade ecosystem built for traders who demand absolute control, ensuring the platform never interferes with your confirmed setups. The NX1 account delivers the precision required for tight risk management, featuring 0.0 pip spreads and ultra-fast execution. If you are just starting out, bypass paid signals entirely. Head to NX Learn and leverage the deep foundational educational resources to build your own execution logic first. Algorithms can pull the data, but the ultimate edge remains a disciplined, educated trader operating within a premium ecosystem.